How to fix broken registry items in Windows. 1. Try running the sfc/scanno and dism command as admin. Commands include sfc/scannodism/online/cleanupimage/check healthdism/online/cleanupimage/scan healthdism/online/cleanupimage/restore health dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health/source wimx sources install.wim1/limit access to run cleangr.exe. 3. Using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 4. Perform a Windows startup repair in its safe mode. 5. Revert to a previous Windows restore point, if you can. 6. Reset then reinstall Windows 11.